everyone, welcome back to my channel Shiksha 99. In my previous video, we discussed some important basic terms of accounting. In the continuation of that, today we will discuss the two basic terms of accounting, which is journal and journalizing. If we discuss about what is journal, in the term of definition we can define journal is a primary book of accounting in which we can record every transaction of accounting in the chronological order, and it is called the primary book of. If in a simple term we want to define what is journal, we can say that journal accounting की वह पहली बुक है जिसमें हम होने वाले अपने बिजनेस से रिलेटेड सभी ट्रांजैक्शंस को डेट वाइज डे टू डे रिकॉर्ड करते हैं. And if I come to what is journalizing, the basic process to record an entry in the fixed format of journal is called journalizing. It means जर्नल एंट्री को जर्नल के फिक्स्ड फॉर्मेट में लिखने का जो प्रोसेस है दैट इज कॉल्ड जर्नलाइजिंग. नाउ आई वांट टू शो यू द बेसिक फॉर्मेट ऑफ जर्नल. इट इज द बेसिक फॉर्मेट ऑफ जर्नल. In the basic format of journal, we have 5 columns. The first column is for date, in which we write the date on which the transaction is occurred. In the second column, it is particulars. In the second column, we write the basic entry. The third one column is for ledger folio. In this column, we write the page number of ledger according to that transaction. And the last 2 columns are for the amount. The first one is amount of debit transaction and the second one is about the credit transaction. So this is the basic format of journal. It is the definition of journal and journalizing. Now I hope you all are cleared about what is journal and journalizing. For doing any journal entry, we have to follow some basic rules of accounting. In all the accounting rules we will discuss in the next video. I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, so like and share.